subsidiary of the UK-based Youngmen Limited in 2011. Since 2013, Youngmen India has operated as a privately owned Indian-led company. Youngmen India builds on its nearly 100-year-old history as an innovative work at height solution provider, bringing the same design and manufacturing expertise to the Indian market. This allows us to provide world-class safety products on rent or sale all across India.
The world is a crazy place, but we're excited to be part of it and continue to push our industry and ourselves to do more and be better. It's scary to fail, but you can't grow unless you're willing to risk it. We encourage each other to try new things, expand our skills, and go outside our comfort zone. And even when we fail or make mistakes, share the lessons we have learned so we can all grow. We strongly feel that we're seeing an exciting shift in how companies, big or small, act in the world. We're determined to grow our business in the ways that encourage more compassion and accountability in the world, not sacrifice people for profit.
Founded in 1926, Youngmen is one of the most respected work-at-height companies in the world.
So the year was 2011. I had just graduated from BITS Pilani and had my stint of 10 months at NTPC. A secure job and not so challenging environment for me. Having brilliant GRE scores and all set to secure a good master's in the US. Still, there was one thing I always wanted to do. Business. Create something I can be proud of. Patriotic at heart, how can I add value to my country? So many questions, finding answers. Now I can connect the dots. Got a brilliant opportunity to explore a business which had 2 failed attempts of finding a foothold in India. Started as a country manager at the age of 22. A small warehouse in Greater Noida, in the middle of nowhere, and some of the famous plastic Nilkamal chairs. Most of our seed money got invested in importing the first consignment stock. Now it was my part to sell the stock and earn the bread. Boom, reality check. It was not that easy to find the right people to sell, the right people to accept and make a sale. Exorbitant prices, aluminium. Will it not get stolen? Will it take the load? Are you a kid? Do you know what you're doing? Are you a country manager? Should it be a joke? I tried a lot of things, right from growing a beard to making a salesman card, finding sweet connections and whatnot. We did exhibitions, we did demonstrations. As the time was passing, my seed money was also depleting and bringing the bank to dry. Initially, our business idea was to import and sell the products, but it met with a lot of friction. High prices, mindset of not investing into equipment, and huge transportation costs when they have to move from one project to another. Nevertheless, high maintenance costs, downtime costs, and idling costs too. This is when we pivoted our business model into rentals. It felt like the eureka moment. Immediately started getting the right connections, right projects, right leads. It was almost like we hit the dart at the bullseye. Contractors and construction were waiting for someone to offer them such products and rentals. And then it was never looking back. Our loyal clients helped us expand into locations and grow our teams. More products led to repairs, helping us grow our repair yard into state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, and so on and so forth. I have some very exciting news. We present the 5 Ns of ours with a great pleasure and satisfaction. Our wonderful 5 new launches are based on your exclusive necessities, and we claim our products to be time-saving and extremely useful. Our proudly presented products are based upon to the minute technology and information. Now let me tell you what are the 5 Ns. First, our new reach. Second, our new commitment to the new digital era. Third, our new products. Fourth, our new business, screws and tools. Fifth, our new concept, Youngmen On-Site. I would now like to hand over this to Mohit to tell you about our new reach.
We are excited to announce that due to our remarkable growth over the last 10 years, we are expanding. All the parties involved in construction process have a vested interest in on-time performance and on-time payment. Delays, product shortages and rising cost continue to bedevil businesses. Youngman has the fastest delivery network pan-India. Presently, we have our warehouses in 12 plus locations scattered across India to provide the best customer experience. We have India's largest aluminium scaffolding, measuring more than 19,500 meters. On the eve of Youngman India's 10th anniversary, here we come up with 5 new warehouses to extend our reach. The new warehouses are located in Chandigarh, Gurgaon, Guwahati, Bhubaneswar and Nagpur. The size of each warehouse measures up to 4,000 square feet, well located, well built, well organized. The idea behind our expansion is to fulfill our customer demands, increase the Youngman's network and connect effectively with our customers. We are focused on building flexibility into our warehouse operations. Therefore, we are ready to give our customers whatever they want, whenever they want, wherever they want. I think it's important for brands, especially brands that are customer-centric, to stay connected. With the new reach expansion, we will be able to reduce the delivery time up to 4 hours and also optimize the freight cost for our loyal customers. Warehousing is a key part of logistics and is crucial for the distribution of goods. Our warehouses are designed around the modern methods of storage and material handling, powered by artificial intelligence. Expect the unexpected, always be protected with Youngman India. That brings me to the end of my part. I would like to hand over to Mr. Sajal.
So, are you fed up with the multiple calls and follow-ups it takes to place the order of ladders, scaffolds, access equipment and tools? The current process to place an order involved in multiple calls and emails to inquire about it, followed by getting the quotations and negotiations, placing the order and then finally receiving. So, let me introduce to Youngman's move towards digitization. Our freshly launched online rental platform and online sales stores. Youngman.rent is first of its kind website dealing in rental verticals. It's time, our online store is now live. This is happening for the first time in India, that you can reserve your order online for any type of requirements in just a few clicks.
This is our homepage where we can find out different product categories. Safe, reliable and high quality equipment on rent. We can rent products in just 4 steps. Customize your and place your web order request. Add to cart. Go to the cart for checkout. Add billing details. Once the order is placed, our customer care will reach you shortly and the required materials will be delivered anywhere in India by our fastest delivery service. The packaging of the material and delivering it to your site is totally hassle-free.
Now, let's talk about our online store. It's just a beginning towards the next stage of development of the Youngman India, as this will be followed by many other landmark projects. Quality and commitment have remained the motto of Youngman India, one of the most respected work-at-height companies in the world. All of our products are built to the highest safety standards, which includes EN 131, the European standard for safe ladders, and EN 1004 for scaffolding towers.
All features of our products are listed with picture illustration for your reference. Now, it is the time to show you how fantastic our products are. Select from a wide product range. Customize your best requirement according to size, quantity, etc. Then add to cart and proceed to checkout. Fill your contact and shipping details. Add discount code if applicable.
Our goal with this new website is to provide our visitors an easier way to learn about Youngman's product and to browse information based on their own choice.
Hi guys, welcome to the manufacturing arm of Youngman. First of all, I am feeling proud to announce that despite many challenges, we have successfully completed 5 years of growth in India. Today, I stand here in our 1-acre factory comprising of state-of-the-art laser cutting and robotic welding machines. We are an engineering company and India's market leader in height access solutions. We are transforming the ways to work at height by increasing the safety and efficiency. We have various range of stock and customized height solutions for industries such as manufacturing, defense, aerospace, railways, oil and gas, construction, to name a few. Let me take this opportunity to launch our new 5 products today, which I am reiterating is our commitment towards transforming the ways to work at height by increasing the safety and efficiency. The first product is Lifto. Lifto is a heavy-duty and manually operated product which is widely used by HVAC contractors for lifting HVAC ducts and AH units, fire contractors for lifting their fire pipes, and even contractors for lifting their trusses and their other structural members. This is our very versatile product. A single product comes with various attachments such as standard forks, pipe cradle, extension forks, and boom. Moving on to the second product. It is very challenging to lift a panel by hand as there are very high chances of breakage. To solve this problem, we are coming up with Lifto Drywall. It's a lightweight manual lifter which requires only one person operation, and it is widely used by our interior contractors for lifting drywall panel. The third product is Warehouse Ladder with Base Frame. The major problem a user faces with the ladder is of transport and in-transit damage. This ladder of ours is the solution. It's a modular access system which can be assembled by simply fastening the screws without any special machining. It is made up of non-conductive fiberglass tiles, ideal for working around electricity. It is chemical and heat resistant as well. It has large platforms for better ergonomics, and the enhanced feature is toe boards, as while working at height, it ensures no tools and tackles fall from the platform. It is equipped with double guardrail and handrails for better safety and also complies to EN 1317. It comes with rolling wheels to move the ladder easily around the workspace. Now I am showcasing you the fourth product, that is Modular Access System. We are bringing you here the system which is commonly used in overpass bridges and equipments in the world in the form of a ladder. It is suitable for many indoor and outdoor applications, from the simplest railings to complicated stairs and working platforms without any extra machining. Connection is realized effortlessly by simply tightening clamping screw. It is mainly composed of step profiles and flexible handrails, allowing a complete modular design. It is a tailor-made solution for industries, warehouse, maintenance, and construction. It too comes with large platform and rolling wheels. The fifth and the final product is Aluminium Lattice Beam. These are lightweight but strong, high performance and high quality beams, and can be used in all types of scaffold designs, including but not limited to hanging or suspended platforms, bird cage, and bridging system. They are an ideal solution if you have to bridge over any type of structure to gain access. They are extremely easy to handle, to store, and also to transport, and this is because they are made from aluminium rather than steel. Now that brings me to the end of my part. I would like to hand over it to Mr. Ankit Nigam.
Hi, my name is Ankit Nigam, and I'm delighted to be here today to talk to you about our new business launch, Screws and Tools. Being in this domain for so long, we realized that a contractor's job is pretty tough. Tight timelines, small profits, and demanding clients mean there is always something new to take your time. And Youngman India is here to solve precisely that part of the puzzle. We are thrilled to finally share this with our customers. On the eve of completing a decade, here we launch Screws and Tools to provide an all-in-one solution. India's first one-stop construction shop has everything you need in a single place. Whether it's screws or safety shoes, hammers or helmets, you can rely on us to deliver high-quality products direct from trusted manufacturers at a very competitive price. Browse the entire product catalog on our easy-to-use website, add items to the cart, and order everything you need with a single click from your computer or smartphone. We will deliver in as little as a few hours from our pan-India network of warehouses in a single scheduled delivery. So that brings me to the end of my talk. Now I would hand over to my colleague, Mr. Atul Rajput.
Since 2011, Youngman is India's leading rental company providing aluminum scaffolding on rent. In today's market scenario, I can proudly quote Youngman as the synonym for aluminum scaffolds. Now, here we come up with a unique concept as a solution to this problem, Youngman On Site. That is, providing the contractors with the right tools, right time, right place, right price. Here, my teammate Amit will be explaining more about Youngman On Site.
Hello guys, welcome to Youngman On Site. This is the real world where we believe, where our products are used, and where we belong to. As you can see, we have reached this position and this place to serve you guys. And I can proudly say that we are here at one of the biggest construction sites in India. We have set up our first on-site here, and we are successfully running multiple sites like this. So I am here to give you a feel of our on-site store. As you can see, these are not like the regular bricks and mortar stores. These are new-aged AI-powered retail stores. Now let us give you a feel of the store. Let me take you through a walkthrough. Most important aspect at a construction site is work with safety. So let's start from the safety products. We have complete range of safety kits to start your work. Moving ahead, we have range of power tools to take care of your every requirement, starting from a drill machine, breaker, impact wrenches, cutters, portable saw, and many more. You name it, we have it on rent for you. India is a vast country with several projects going on, so it might be difficult for us to identify the right place and give priority. So help us in reaching the right place. Do reach me on aprasad@youngman.co.in and help us to identify the site where you want the setup. Rest will be taken care by us. Do on-site at your site.
I thank you all for making this event a grand success. Young Men today couldn't have been possible without the unconditional love we have received and we wish to receive from you and all around the globe.